I've been stressing the raw costs. That's the downside. Let's talk upside. Dick, you're making a big move. You see that the populations around the world are starting to really like protein. You are Mr. Protein, talking about what you're doing in China so that when the raw costs come down, your earnings will explode.
Well, I think China is a great opportunity for us. We already have 2 joint ventures really underway in China, looking to expand. Poultry consumption today in China is only about 20 pounds per capita. We think that can move at least to 30 pounds per capita in the next 5 to 6 years, and that alone is the size of Tyson Foods. So there's great opportunities to do what I think we can do best, which is take fresh chicken to the market and create value-added products in China. Our first joint venture around Shanghai, we're building a greenfield plant to service fresh chicken and to serve the retail side of the business in Shanghai. Great opportunity.
How about another thing that you mentioned that I, frankly, until I was on the conference call, I didn't understand. Third quarter sales of tortillas to service national accounts, up huge, right?
Absolutely. And that's really because the tortilla has become really kind of the carrier of choice going forward as opposed to bread. There's a lot more tortillas now being used at breakfast, lunch, and at dinner. So it's a great opportunity for us. We probably produce the second most tortillas in the whole country.
No, I've got to tell you, Dick, you have done a remarkable job in the face of a federal mandate to ruin your raw costs. And I congratulate you for what you're doing. People who want to be patient will know that you will make them a ton of money when the mandates are scrapped. Thank you so much, sir. Dick,
appreciate it.
Dick Bond, Tyson Foods, got personal hero of mine, willing to speak out. I want to know, whatever happened to stop trading? No, not stop trading, a segment which will be back next week. I miss Aaron. But the notion that when there's information, market-moving information, known to some and not others, that the company, the New York Stock Exchange, even this AWOL SEC should demand that trading be stopped right now. If something is really at work big at Treasury about Fannie and Freddie, even as the dreamers who run those companies stick with the everything's great theme, well, this shouldn't be. In the old days, this kind of thing would never be tolerated. But we've become a laissez-faire, radical anti-regulation nation. We say let the market take care of itself, that there are stocks that are trading hundreds of millions of shares per day, like Fannie and Freddie, where some have a fantastic, great deal of knowledge of what's happening, and then others are clueless. Trading should be holding in both names until this outrage is resolved. It's a total travesty. And by the way, somebody knows something, because the credit spreads between Fannie and Freddie paper and Treasuries are speaking, and they're speaking loudly. Oh, sorry, use English. The feds are about to take over these companies. And I guess that maybe the feds don't listen to NPR, where Freddie's CEO said this very morning that it doesn't need more capital. Me, I was always skeptical of NPR. Stick with Cramer.